we introduce this block system. So what this block means is that previously, let's say when you were into, let's say, uncategorized transactions, you used to look at long list of transactions, right? And then for the similar transactions of the same vendor, you were selecting them individually, and then using the bulk action you would reclassify it. But now we kind of made it little simpler, where the similar transactions are the transactions of the same vendor are now showing up as a block, right? So it's like in most cases, if those expenses are going to one account, you can quickly resolve it. So just to give you an example, let's say if I have some transactions here for this vendor that I generally put them to office expenses, I don't have to do one by one, or I don't have to do multi-select and then reclassify it. Instead, I can just say that, hey, for this vendor, I'm going to put them to office expenses, and that's it. So whether it's two transactions or 20 transactions, it will be pretty smooth. Excuse me, because now you're resolving the entire block, and that way it will be quite faster to resolve transactions in speed mode, right? So that's a block. You still have a ways to edit independent transactions. Like if you say that, hey, I want to particularly reclassify this transactions to this account, but then this transactions to some other account, you can also do it. Just click here and then change it from whatever account that you like. So that feature is still there. Another thing is that even the bulk panel, the bulk reclassify. So if at all you wanted to select one transactions from here, one transaction from here, one transaction from here, and you want to reclassify these transactions to some separate account, you will still be able to do that, right? So those functionality are still there. It's just that with this block, it will be quite easier to reclassify those transactions easily.